Hi, I'm Cliff, and this is my garage. And today, I'm going to show you how to change out the bulb in a Cayman side marker light. Hey, welcome back to the garage. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for dropping by. So, I want to just put together a quick little video showing you how to change the bulb in the side marker light of a Porsche Cayman. This is a Gen 1 Cayman, a 987.1. I think this will probably work on a 987.2 also. I found several videos on YouTube, and in the course of checking it out, I realized that several of them were completely wrong in how they were doing it. So I'm going to run through what, at least I believe, is the correct procedure for doing this. So several of the videos I saw said that you should take the back edge of the marker light and pull straight out really hard, and that'll pop loose the spring that's holding it in place. Well, that's true, it can work, but you're gonna potentially, maybe probably, screw up the spring in the process. The spring is there to put forward pressure on the light because there are two prongs in the front here that fit behind the sheet metal. So instead of popping this out and then pulling the light backwards, the real way to do this is to pull the light backwards first and release those prongs. So just kind of like wiggle my fingers in here and kind of push and curl my finger under to get like friction on it, and it pops right out. See, and here's a spring that can get screwed up if you pull it straight out. To put it back in, it's just the opposite way. You put the rear end in first, push back, and put it in. Now, for some reason on the right-hand side of the car, this was a lot harder to do. And so what I did there is I took a automotive trim removal kit, or removal tool that I got out of an automotive trim removal kit, and I just put some painter's tape on it to make sure I wouldn't mar the paint, and just sort of wiggled it back in here and just pulled back, and it came right out. I'll give you a link to a whole, I think you can get a whole set of these for like $12. I use them all the time. All right, so once you've got the light out, the other thing I see several videos do is they talk about this little spring clip here, and they say, well, you take a pair of needle nose pliers and you pop the spring out is how you release this wire connector here. No, that's not the way you do it. You push down on the spring. Hopefully you can see that clearly. You just take the spring and you push down on it. That releases the clip, and it comes right off. So again, when you put it back on, you can see the clip kind of move and snap on. In order to take it off, you push it down, and it's kind of clumsy to do this, showing you so that you can see it in the camera, but you just squeeze it together and it comes right off. So for the next step, I put a nitrile glove on. I don't think this is a halogen bulb, but I've just gotten the habit of putting a glove on anytime I'm going to handle a bulb, because that way I know I'm not going to get any gunk on it. This simply twists counterclockwise, like you're unscrewing it, until it snaps, and the bulb comes right out, and then, or the bulb holder comes right out, and then you pop the bulb out. Once you've got your replacement bulb, it goes right back in. You can see there's two little ears. I hope you can see it. There's two little ears, and in the thing here, there's two little slots they go into. Just line those up, push it in, and then twist it back, and now you're back in place. The spring goes on top here, or away from the reflector. Snaps on. Back end in first. Push and slide those two ears in. And that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. If you found the video helpful and informative, or hey, even if you didn't, go down there, find that thumbs up button, drop a like on the video, it helps me out. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on notifications. That way you'll get a little message and get notified every time that I post new content from here in Cliff's Garage. See you next time.